Now, let's take a look at an example 1. Find the average rate of change of y equal xq minus 2x from x equal -2 to x equal 3. So this is a nonlinear line. This is the curve, okay? Because how do we know this is the curve and nonlinear? Because it doesn't have the form y equal mx plus b, and the power of the x for the linear line must be 1, but this is 3. So this is nonlinear. So in order to find a nonlinear, the average rate of change of nonlinear between x equal -2 and x equal 3, we simply find the slope where you have f of x2 minus f of x1 over x2 minus x1. So now all we have to compute, if I label this as x1 and this is x2, then I'm gonna have to find the function the output of the function at this point. So I'm gonna label this as x1 and this is x2. So my f of x1 is actually f of -2, and that will equal, so f of -2 means I'm gonna replace every x I see in my equation or function and replace this by -2. So I need the parenthesis, and then I will have -2 to the power 3 minus 2 times -2. And then -2 to the power 3 is -8 plus 4, which is -4. So I have f of 1 is -4. How about f of x2? I mean, f of -2 is -4, not f of -1. Now, f of x2 means f of 3. F of 3 is equal, I'm gonna replace all my x by 3. 3 to the power 3 minus 2 times 3. And 3 to the power 3 is 27 minus 6, so that is 21. So f of x1 is -4 and f of x2 is 21. So I will replace them on the formula. So I have 21 minus -4 over x2 is 3 minus x1 is -2. And simplify the expression, I will have 21 plus 4, which is 25, minus 5. I mean over 5, not minus 5. Over 5, and that will be equal to 5. So that means the average rate of change of this function from -2 to 3 is 5. Now, for example 2, the table is given the annual sales in million per years. So we want to find the rate of change of the annual sales. I don't know this is linear or non-linear, but they ask for finding the average rate of change. So all I would have to do is we're gonna have to find the change in the output, divide the change in the input, and then we will be able to find the average rate of change between the 2 years. So my average rate of change, instead of using the M, we can also using the shortcut of average rate of change, AROCs, right? AROCs is equal to the change in the Y. So it means change in sales in between 2012 and 2015. 2012, the sales 100, and 2015, the change is 100. The sale is 163. So we take 163 minus 100 and all over 2015 minus 2012. And you can pull in the calculator to find out what is the difference. So I have 163 minus 100 is 63, and 2015 minus 2012 is 3. So 63 divided 3 is actually 21. So that means the company's annual sales increased by an average of 21 million per year from 2012 to 2015. So this is how you do the problem, all right?